In today's world, we are under constant pressure. We rush from one appointment to another and hardly ever stop moving. Companies are constantly optimizing and developing new products that we might not even need. We are dazzled and overwhelmed by innovations that don't always deliver what they promise. But there are always masterpieces that establish themselves as a generic term and promise a unique product experience. Mostly, that's exactly what the inventor had in mind. The SIKA thermometer stands for countless industrial thermometers. It has undergone slight changes over the years, including adaptations to specific customer applications and the use of different materials or fillings. But one thing has always remained: the lifetime guarantee for accuracy and quasi-indestructibility even under extreme conditions. What sets us apart is our technical expertise and passion, as well as the will to provide all our customers with a perfect thermometer. Whether you choose the original or the cost-optimized version, your systems will receive the most reliable measuring system there is. After all, quality and passion are the keys to success.